Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders.
After being displaced by a fire in my apartment building, I was able to stay at the Novotel Hotel in downtown Ottawa, right next to the Rideau Centre, right next to the Ottawa Art Gallery, Arts Court, Saw Video Gallery, right near the Byward Market, right near Rideau Street. Here's the washroom. Got a nice big mirror there, good lighting. This was all provided by the Red Cross, 3 nights stay, a safe place to stay at the Novotel Hotel by the Red Cross, provided because I was displaced by a really bad apartment fire. In this bag on the door we got your hair dryer, we got plenty of towels, a towel rack, a vanity mirror on the side here. Here's the shower. Nice shower. A great shower head there. And of course you gotta try the body wash and shampoo at your hotel. And here's conditioner and a shower cap, which I didn't use either of those. A nice big room. We got another mirror here. And in this front closet near the front door we got hangers and a bag to put your dirty laundry in. We got an ironing board and an iron ready for you. An extra sheet and an extra warm blanket in case the room gets too cold. And here we got an extra pillow. And we got every hotel needs a Bible. Nice big king size bed. I really like that. And we got some cool artwork on the wall. A big photo of some birch trees. Along the side of the bed we got a reading light. A bit of an awkward reading light, but pretty bright. Nice and bright. And down further on here we got a plug outlet for both USB and a regular plug. In our seating area here, it's actually a pull-out couch. So it pulls out into a bed, a little cot, so an extra person can stay in the room. The side of the windows we have the thermostat controls. These were really simple to use. If you want it warmer in the room, the heater will turn on for you. If you want it cooler, the air conditioner will start up. Outside we got a nice view. Here's this older red brick building is the Albion Rooms. It's a restaurant. Above that you can see peeking up was the Ottawa Art Gallery. Just outside the hotel here, right across the street, is the Rideau Centre. You can see it on the left hand side there. So it's got a food court and all kinds of shopping. It's a shopping mall right downtown Ottawa. So this corridor that I'm walking down is Nicholas Street. The hotel is located on Nicholas Street and it heads towards Rideau Street, which has shopping and eating and all kinds of things you can do. To the left and right we have restaurants. This is Joey Rideau restaurant, and on the right here we have the Clock Tower Brew Pub. So these are really close to the hotel. There's lots of things you can do around this area. Just beyond Rideau Street is the Byward Market. Urban Outfitters is just in front of us there. Turning the corner, this is Rideau Street. Currently there's quite a bit of construction going on Rideau. Building more towers, condo towers. On the other side of the hotel and attached to the Novotel Hotel is the Albion Rooms, a historic red brick building. It houses the hotel dining area. And as you saw, there was seating outside. This building right next to the hotel, right across the street, that's the Arts Court. And across from that is the Rideau Centre. You can see Nordstrom's there, which is one of their anchor stores in that mall. Wine, fish, enjoy. You can see the sign there. This way for the Albion Rooms. They've got a big sign painted on the wall. And you can see here we're entering the Novotel Hotel entryway. Right across from the Rideau Centre mall parking lot. Right through this revolving door. There's the check-in, a little lounge area in the lobby. Here's one of their dining areas, a bar at the back. The Albion Rooms, where you can get a buffet breakfast for $15 in the morning. I think they do it family style instead of buffet, as a lot of restaurants are doing during the pandemic. And this is the way to the red brick building that we saw earlier. All the seating in here is inside that red brick building. And here's the lobby again. So their sign here says their breakfast buffet is $18. I was wrong. I said it was $15. The hotel has a pool and a gym. Here I am wandering the hallways trying to find them. Actually, they're pretty easy to find. It's on the 5th level. They even have a little atrium, I guess it's called, in here, or a terrace, or I'm not sure what this is called, but it's a neat little area to kick back and relax. It wasn't open when I was there, and neither was the pool. This is me coming out of the Rideau Centre. It shows just how close the Novotel Hotel is to the shopping mall. There's the Novotel building right there. This is the old jail that some say is haunted. It's now being used as a hostel. You can stay overnight in a jail cell. And that's all on Nicholas Street. Ahead is Arts Court. And further on is the Ottawa Art Gallery. Here's the Novotel Hotel again. And a window on the side of the Albion Rooms brick building. Right there is the Arts Court again, front of it. And that building right there, that's an apartment building, but on the bottom of it with the white building there, that is the Ottawa Art Gallery. And there are some murals to be found around the hotel. This being one of them on Besserer Street. Just diagonally across this intersection are some more murals. These murals here can be found on Waller Street. Here's a neat one on the side of Future Skin Tattoo. All within a block or two of the Novotel Hotel. So that was my tour in and around the Novotel Hotel in downtown Ottawa. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching Steve's World of Wonders. Bye for now.